So for our maths children, we're going to be looking at numbers and matching these numbers, the numerals, what they look like, to amounts, okay? So I'm going to play a little game, but before we do that, we need to look at these numerals. The numeral is what the number looks like. So I've got a number card. Now, if you've forgotten what the number is, you could always count the spot underneath, okay? So that's the numeral. That's what it looks like. And then the amount is the spot underneath. Okay, so let's have a look first. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our fingers to 0. And then for each number card that we see, we're going to roll that many fingers. That's the first job we need to do. Okay, so then we're matching our amounts on our fingers to the numeral that we see. Okay, right, we'll start with this one. And what number is it? That's right, it's number 1. Roll that finger out. 1 finger. Next number. That's right, it's 2. Roll that finger out. So it's 1 more each time. 2. What's that number? 3. Roll that finger out. Well done. What's this number? 4. Well done. Roll that finger out. What's this number? 5. Roll that finger out. Your fingers show the amount. Remember the spots to show the amount as well. What's this number? Ooh, now this is tricky for me now. Need to stick it on me. Oh, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers showing 6. The amount 6 on my fingers then, and that's the numeral 6. What's this number? Well done. Can you show me that many fingers? See if I can stick it there. Oh. Not this one. No. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. What's this number? That's right, it's number 8. And number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 fingers showing the 8. Let's see the next number. What's this number? Number 9. Well done. Oh, let's get 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right, 9 fingers showing number 9. And this one. What's that number? That's a big number and it's got that many spots underneath. It's number 10. Let's see if it'll stick to me. Ooh. It has got some blue tack on. Oh, there we go. Ah. Number 10, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, start again, Mrs. Nolan. Oh dear. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's number 10. That's the numeral 10. There's 10 fingers. Right, we're going to play a game now. Okay, you ready? In your house, you might have to keep pausing this video, but we're going to find things now. So you've got to go around your house. Hopefully you find them. And then when you do find them, can you take a picture? Okay, and then you can email me those pictures, okay? Right, so I'm going to show you a number. You're going to find that many things, whatever I ask you to find me. Okay, this number first. So that's the numeral. What number was it? Number 1. Can you go and find me 1? Now, if you're at home watching it, 1 hairbrush. If we're in the nursery watching it, we wouldn't have a hairbrush. So maybe a paintbrush. Any brush. Number 1, I would like you to find me just 1 brush. It can be a hairbrush or a paintbrush? Off you go. Just one. Bring it back. Show the camera. Just one. I want one brush. Off you go. Well done for finding one brush. Okay, so the next one. This time, this is the numeral. That numeral is telling us it's 2. I would like 2. Can you go and find me 2 pieces of paper? 2 pieces of paper, please. Off you go. Go and find me 2 pieces of paper. 1, 2. Have you got 2 pieces of paper yet? Well done if you have. Okay, let's see what numeral I'm going to show you next. Okay, so that is our numeral. What's it telling us? It's telling us 3. I want you to find me 3 books. Go and find 3 books, please. 1, 2, 3. You've got to count them. Bring them back. 3 books. Well done. Right, the next numeral is this one. And for this one, you might have to go outside. I would like 4 stones. Go and find me 4 stones. Brilliant. Off you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what 4 looks like. There's the numeral 4. Go and find me 4 stones to match up to this number 4. Well done. Off you go. And the last one I think I'm going to do is this one. What's that numeral? That's right. It's number 5. It's got 5 spots underneath to show you the amount. And that's the numeral. That's what it looks like. That's a number. Number 5. This time you've got to go outside again. And can you go and find 5 sticks? 5 sticks. Bring them back to match up to my numeral. I want 5. Off you go. Well done, children. You can play this game at home. You can play it with numbers up to 10 if you want to. You have to make your own little number cards. And then you could tell your grown-ups to go and find certain amounts. They've got to match up to the numeral. Okay. Right, well done for that activity. Now, there is another activity which I want you to do. And I've saved it on the files on our webpage. Okay, and this is the next activity. So, Zog and the flying doctors, they dropped the pills on the floor, all the little tubs of pills on there flying around, and all the labels have dropped off. So you've got a job to do now. You've got to help Zog and the flying doctors by putting the number labels back on the pill pots, because the pill pots need a label to show how many is in each pill pot. Okay, so what you need to do is match these numerals, these numbers, to each of these tubs. So you need your counting finger, remember? Otherwise, I mean, sometimes you might be able to look and think, I don't need to count that one. I know that one. How many is that one? 1. I didn't need to count it with my counting finger. I can just look at that one and I know. That's called subitizing. I don't need to actually count it because I know that's what 1 looks like. So I'll cut these numbers up and I will stick number 1 into that pot there. I'll put it in there, okay? Now if you don't have scissors or glue, then all you have to do is copy the number into there, okay? Because you can't cut the numbers up then. But if you do have scissors and glue, cut these numbers up or get your grown-ups to help you and then use them as little number labels, and you're going to stick them on the right pill pot. So I'm going to use my counting finger for this one. I'm going to point. Remember how we count. We always make sure we don't miss any out by pointing and saying each number as we point to each one. Okay, because otherwise you might miss some out. So you point and say the number. That means we know then how many are there. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 in the pill pot. I stopped on number 3. That means that's how many is in there. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 in the pill pot. I need to stick number 3 into the pill pot. So I'll stick it there. And that way, Zog and the flying doctors know how many's in that one. Right, let's go over to this one. Counting finger to the ready. Watch Mrs. Nolan count. Watch me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 in there. I stopped on 5. That means there's 5 in there, okay? So I need to find number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's number 5. I need to stick that one onto that pill pot. Right, this one. Ooh, some of you might be able to sabotage that one. That means just look at it and know how many's in there. How many's in that one? That's right. There is 2. 1, 2. 2 in that one. And then you find number 2 and stick it on there. Right. Ooh, there's more. Look at that. There's not as many in there. There's fewer. There's more in that one. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I pointed and counted to each one. Can you find number 6? That's number 6. We'll stick it in there. And the last one, I'm not going to do that one. You've got to do that one. Okay. Now there is another one. If you think that's easy peasy lemon squeezy, I know all them numbers. I can count all those. I didn't lose count at all. Then you can try this one. There's even more pills in these pots to count. So you need to make sure your counting fingers counting very carefully, not to miss any out. We're going to start with this one, because this one looks like it's got the most in. Look how high it goes. I'm going to start at the bottom and go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's got 10 in. Can you see a number 10? Which one's number 10? That one's number 10. So you'll cut these numbers up and you'll stick them in the pill pot to show there's number 10. That one. Okay. Right, so you get the idea now. So have fun helping Zog and the flying doctors, because they need all the labels. The number labels need putting back on the pill pots. Can you do that for me? Brilliant. Okay, well done. Have fun with your counting. You're getting so clever. Practice makes perfect, remember.